At Data.ai, we help you enhance the mobile and digital experience. You lead product development at a strategy games company. While your recent releases have met download targets, there is an unexpected drop-off in retention. With Data.ai's Compare module, analyze your game's retention against competitors. Using extended retention, dig deeper into your competitors' daily, weekly, and monthly retention patterns. You observe that the category leader has retained 20% more users than you by month 3. To improve your performance, use Game IQ to understand the in-game mechanics your competitors are using to maximize engagement. With Data.ai, gain competitive visibility to optimize your retention strategy.